Hey there, homeowners! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the everyday things that impact your life. Have you ever stopped to think about the cleaning products sitting under your sink? You know, those bottles and sprays you reach for without a second thought. You might be surprised to learn that many of them could be doing more harm than good. Yes, those seemingly harmless products can have hidden dangers. Today, I'm diving into the hidden risks of home cleaning products. It's a topic that often goes unnoticed, but is crucial for your health and well-being. Thousands of cleaning supplies contain substances linked to health problems. These aren't just minor irritants, they can have serious long-term effects. We're talking about irritants, chemicals that should never be mixed, and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These are not just technical terms, they represent real threats. Experts say these can lead to serious health risks like asthma, chemical burns, and even cancer. Imagine the impact on your lungs and skin over time. Tasha Stoiber, a senior scientist from the Environmental Working Group, points out that consumers often assume products on store shelves are safe, but the reality is far from it. But here's the kicker: that's not always true. Just because a product is available for purchase doesn't mean it's safe for you or your family. Jenny Romer from the EPA adds that greenwashing practices make it even tougher to pick safer options. Companies often use misleading labels to make their products appear eco-friendly. So, how can you make better choices? It's not as hard as it seems, but it does require some awareness and effort. The EPA's Safer Choice label is a great starting point. This label helps you identify products that meet stringent safety criteria. It helps guide you toward products that are safer for your health and the environment. Look for this label next time you're shopping, but remember, using cleaners properly is just as crucial. Always read the instructions and take necessary precautions. Mixing certain cleaners or using them frequently without precautions can expose you to harmful chemicals. Be mindful of what you're combining. Here's a simple tip: try using natural alternatives like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These common household items can be surprisingly effective. They're effective and significantly reduce your chemical exposure. Plus, they're often cheaper and more environmentally friendly. And don't underestimate the power of regular vacuuming and dusting. These simple tasks can make a big difference. These simple habits can limit your exposure to potentially harmful substances that settle in dust. Dust can carry a lot of hidden dangers. So next time you reach for that cleaner, think twice. Consider the long-term effects on your health and the environment. Your health and your home will thank you. A cleaner home doesn't have to come at the cost of your well-being. Thanks for tuning in and stay safe. We hope you found this information helpful and eye-opening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on keeping your home healthy. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you next time.